and welcome to our video about the PNNL Quality Install tool. To start things off, we'll begin with an overview of the tool. The Quality Install QI tool, developed by the Pacific Northwest National Laboratory, or PNNL, simplifies, standardizes, and expedites the creation of high-quality installation documentation using photo-based prompts throughout the process, and automatically generates a presentable quality install report PDF that can be saved, emailed, or printed. It can be accessed anytime through mobile device or laptop, and it collects documentation to satisfy quality install, home assessment, and combustion appliance safety testing requirements. Who will utilize the quality install tool? All single-family HVAC projects that do not require HERS testing will need to document project photos via the QI tool as proof of quality installation. Here, single-family HVAC projects that are replacing existing equipment will need to collect assessment information on the existing equipment via the QI tool. Here, single-family HVAC projects that will leave a combustion appliance remaining in the conditioned space will need to have a CAS testing completed and documented via the QI tool. It's not needed if the project has HERS report for all projects and will not leave a combustion appliance remaining in the conditioned space. Here, single-family HVAC. How to use the Quality Installation tool. First, go to quality-install-tool.pnnl.gov. Once there, click Add a new project, fill in project name with assessment data and street name, fill in the installer information and project address, and click Save Project. Lastly, click into the newly created project for a list of installation workflows. For single-family HERA projects, complete the IRA limited assessment workflow. Add and name the installation similarly to the project. Click into the installation and follow prompts to assess and document information about the home, ceilings, ducts, ventilation, and heating and cooling systems. Print the report from the Report tab and save to records. Be sure to name the file Limited HVAC Assessment Form. From there, go back to the list of installation workflows. If a project will not have HERS testing, click into the appropriate installation workflow to document quality install. Add and name an installation similarly to the project. Follow prompts to assess and document information on planning, installation, and post-installation. Complete the combustion appliance safety testing portion only if needed, meaning combustion appliance was left remaining in the conditioned space. Print the report from the Report tab and save to records. Name file, PNNL Quality Install Tool Export. If a project will have HERS test out, but CAS testing is needed, click into the appropriate installation workflow. Add and name installation similarly to the project. Skip all portions except the combustion appliance safety testing. Follow prompts to test and document CAS for the appropriate remaining combustion appliance. Go back to the list of installation workflows and click back into the appropriate workflow. Use the project invoice section to upload a picture of CAS certification badge. Finally, print the report from the Report tab and save to the records. The file name should be Combustion Safety Form. What do you do with these reports? First, provide a copy of each report to the customer. Then, when applying for rebates, upload each report to the corresponding IRIS field as shown in the table below. Ensure that all reports are correctly named and saved before they are uploaded. Please pause and read to see applicable cases in which the various reports should be uploaded into IRIS. We also note the corresponding location in IRIS that they should be uploaded. Thank you very much for attending this training and participating in Tech Clean California to install heat pump HVAC. We look forward to working with you.